Have you ever wondered why some people always seem financially secure while others struggle month after month, even with a good income? The difference often comes down to one simple thing: financial planning. Financial planning is the process of managing your money wisely so that you can achieve your short-term and long-term goals. It's not just about saving money, it's about creating a clear strategy for spending, saving, investing, and protecting your finances. Think of financial planning as a roadmap for your financial life. Without a roadmap, you might still move forward, but you could easily get lost along the way. With a clear plan, every financial decision becomes more purposeful. The first step in financial planning is understanding your current financial situation. This means knowing how much money you earn, how much you spend, and where your money goes every month. Many people are surprised when they track their expenses and discover how much they spend on unnecessary things. Once you understand your finances, the next step is creating a budget. A budget is simply a plan for your income. It helps you decide how much money should go toward necessities like housing, food, and transportation, and how much should be saved or invested. A popular budgeting strategy is the 50-30-20 rule. According to this rule, about 50% of your income goes toward essential needs, 30% goes toward personal wants, and 20% is set aside for savings and investments. The next important part of financial planning is building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical emergencies, job loss, or unexpected expenses can happen at any time. An emergency fund acts as your financial safety net. Experts often recommend saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Another crucial step is managing debt wisely. Debt can quickly become a financial burden if not controlled. High-interest credit cards and loans can drain your income over time. A good financial plan includes strategies to reduce and eliminate unnecessary debt while maintaining healthy credit. After managing your expenses and debt, the next step is investing your money. Saving money is important, but investing allows your wealth to grow over time. Investments such as stocks, mutual funds, or real estate have the potential to generate returns and beat inflation. The earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from compound growth, where your money earns returns, and those returns generate even more returns. Financial planning also helps you prepare for major life goals. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, funding your children's education, or planning for retirement, each goal requires careful financial preparation. By setting clear goals and timelines, financial planning helps turn dreams into achievable targets. And finally, there is retirement planning. Many people underestimate how much money they will need after they stop working. A good financial plan ensures that you build enough savings and investments to live comfortably in your later years. In the end, financial planning is not only about money, it's about security, freedom, and peace of mind. When you have a financial plan, you gain control over your finances instead of letting your finances control you. So remember, it doesn't matter how much money you earn, what truly matters is how well you plan and manage it, because the best time to start financial planning is today.